Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share screen on Google Meet. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Meet app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in with your Google account. Now, all you have to do is join a meeting that you've created or the other have created from the link or the ID I'm gonna show you by joining the meeting that I've created. There you can see you can share your screen from the beginning. There's a share screen option right below your camera. Tap on it, then tap on continue. And guys, that's it. That's how you share your screen on Google Meet. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.